Good morning, dear students. Today we are revise the financial market. Dear students, under financial market, you know that the market where sales and purchase of securities, we can say that is the meaning of financial market. Financial market, a market where exchange or sales and purchase of securities, we can say that is the meaning of financial market. Dear students, under financial market, we are discussed a lot of topics. The first one is the function of financial market. ठीक है, मनी मार्केट, कैपिटल मार्केट, function of SEBI, you will prepare properly. Dear students, you know that your question paper will be objective type. So you will prepare the whole chapter deeply, and if you have any doubt, then you can also take the all doubts immediately. Dear students, you understand already the some basic questions you will prepare under these, and the question will also put in the book easily. You can solve out easily. Clear beta? The all questions put in your chapter, and I hope you will prepare the chapter deeply, and I hope you can easily solve out all the question. So under this chapter, the first of all, financial market. So definition, what is financial market? A market where sales and purchase of securities is called financial market. The function of financial market. The financial market is perform different types of functions. The first one is mobilization of saving and challenging them into the most productive areas. The financial market is always mobilize the savings from saver to investors. It is always savings converted in investment and used for the most productive activity. Next one is facilities price discovery. The financial market is always provided the facilities to price discoveries. In the financial market, easily decided the price of securities with the help of the demand of securities and supply of securities. Where the demand of securities and supply of securities equal with each other, then the financial market is decided the price of securities. Next one is provide liquidity to financial assets. The financial market is already liquid market, because in the financial market we can any time the securities convert in cash, liquidity. Next one, reduce the cost of transaction. The financial market is also reduce the cost of transaction, because in financial market the market is always provide the ready-made information regarding of the shares, price, investors, underwriter commission, etc. So we have the ready-made information regarding of share market and shares and the securities, and we will always select the best profitable securities and invest in the share market. So that's kinds of functions performed by the financial market. Next one is under financial market we have the two segment of financial market. The first one is money market and next one is capital market. So dear students, what is money market? You know that the market where deal the short term securities is called money market. Clear beta? Money market, a market where deal the short term securities. Under money market, you can also discuss the instrument of money market. So in money market, we have a lot of instrument like call money, treasury bill, certificate of deposit, commercial paper, commercial bill, or certificate of deposit. So that's your instrument of money market. Capital market also you will discuss. Under these guys, you will prepare the function of capital market. Capital market is also called, guys, the share market. So you will prepare the function of the share market. Types of capital market you will also prepare. We have two types of capital market, primary market and secondary market. Dear students, a market where deal the first time securities, that is called primary market, It is also called a new issue market. Generally, the all firms the first time sells the securities in this market. Dear students, in primary market, the method of flotation of primary market is most important. So you will also prepare the method of flotation of primary market. Secondary market, that's your stock exchange market. And dear students, you will prepare the difference between primary and secondary market, money market or capital market. Clear beta? The stock exchange, you can also prepare deeply the stock exchange function. What kinds of function is performed by the stock exchange? Generally, the stock exchange perform the different types of functions like economic barometer, like pricing of securities, like safety of transactions, liquidity, better allocation of capital, spreading of equity called. So the lot of functions perform your stock exchange market. Dear students, after that you will prepare the trading process. Clear? And after trading process you will prepare the dematerialization or demutualization, depository system, and the most important is SEBI. Dear students, first of all you will discuss what is SEBI, object of SEBI or purpose of SEBI. Dear students, you will also deeply perform the functions of SEBI. Generally, SEBI performs three types of functions: protective function, regulatory function, development function. So under this chapter, dear students, you will prepare the first of all financial market, the function of financial market, segment of financial market, money market or capital market, money market, instrument of money market, capital market, function of capital market, instrument of types of capital market, primary market, method of flotation of primary market, secondary market or stock exchange market, or function of the secondary market, your stock exchange market, demutualization, dematerialization. You will also discuss the difference between primary and secondary market, money market or capital market, SEBI, function of SEBI, trading process of the stock exchange market. Under this chapter, the all topics you will prepare properly. Clear beta? If you have any doubt, any topic, then you can contact me. Dear students, I am sending a self-evaluation test to you. First of all, you will prepare the chapter. After that, you will solve out the questions self. Clear beta? I hope you will check your efficiency with the help of this test. So dear students, before the examination, we already revise one by one chapter. I will send a question paper each day, your self assessment. I hope you will prepare properly chapter and after that solve out the question paper. Clear beta? So thank you very much beta.